SEBI has extended its rebalancing timeline rule to cover all passive mutual funds now, not just selected categories. The regulator now allows more time for funds to adjust portfolios when they deviate from their benchmark allocations, aiming to reduce fire sales and tracking errors. What we are really talking about is SEBI extending rebalancing rule to all passive funds. Uniform deadlines will actually reduce rebalancing pressure, and the new rule aims to lower market disruption. Passive funds get time to avoid fire sales, and from the investor's perspective, lower cost, better tracking benefit to an investor. As SEBI responds to industry calls for flexibility, what is the relief for passive mutual funds over here? If we have to look at SEBI's new norms, uniform rebalancing deadlines after benchmark allocation breaches, it says that the norm extends the timeline to rebalance portfolio when limits are breached. Extension is also applied to all passive categories, unlike earlier. And what are we talking about? It's also the context aimed to replicate performance of a benchmark index fund, and sometimes which gets deviated beyond prescribed limits. SEBI needed funds to rebalance in strict timeline, and this is, if we talk about it being applicable, there's a small comparison that we can get you on the screen as well, where earlier the limit was limited to certain categories, but now it is applied on all passive mutual funds categories. Earlier the rebalancing deadlines were shorter time frames for a few specific and defined categories, but now it's uniform all across categories we're talking about. Flexibility is also slightly increased. What is there for a fund manager? What is the leeway or the benefit of flexibility the fund manager gets? You can avoid fire sales of securities. You have more time to realign your portfolio, especially during market instability. A fund manager gets enough time to strategize their portfolio in terms of exposure also. Impact on investors, you can avoid costly and sudden changes. Passive funds are really known to be very cost effective, so lower transaction cost over there, again a major a big high five for the investors as well. And more stable and fund performance, we can really look at investor confidence, in fact better managed by portfolio realignment, if we have to talk about.